Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a update for Firefox, and it's not a security update. It is interesting to see that the security fix in Chrome, which also affected a feature that exists in Firefox, doesn't seem to affect Firefox. So it seems to be Chromium only. So this is only bug fixes two bugs. So if you go into the hamburger menu on the upper right corner, into Help, and into About Firefox, you will be updated to 121.0.1. The first fix in here, it fixes websites that actually are built upon columns. So an example of one is DoorDash. If you order from DoorDash, what happens is that the website doesn't display well, and scrolling through it was almost impossible, almost a freeze actually. So probably many websites could have been affected by this. And this is actually a demonstration when I was talking about how Firefox uses different technologies and is not Chromium based. Well, this is an example of how they often have to adapt in order to have websites fixed and have them working, because most websites actually depend on or think that you're on a Chromium browser. So that is fixed if you had problems with some websites. The other one is if you have problems with security keys, the browser would actually have its services and it would kind of run frozen in the background, basically. So the process would just freeze when you try to end Firefox, and it begins kind of stuck there for USB security keys. So two fixes for bugs that Firefox has addressed here on version 121. Once again, this is not any security update, and it's not a urgency, but just the fact that some websites just don't display well, I think is important, and will be a good idea to update your Firefox browser. Yesterday, when I was actually asking you guys, if you would switch browser and so on, I was interested. It was interesting to see the number of viewers here that actually use Firefox as their browser. So this is kind of interesting. So update your browser, and it does it automatically anyways if you don't, especially if you use it. And this will fix the two bugs, the website display bug and the USB security key bug that has been plaguing users. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.